welcome. You're watching Startup Wednesday, the show that brings to you the hottest and latest startup stories. Today on the show, we're taking a look at some of the startup trends that we've seen over the last few months. Online shopping is a clear hit, and the recent festive e-commerce war was a clear proof of that. And the crucial part of this sector are the delivery boys. But now, startups and staffing companies are facing a huge crisis in this space, with the shortage of delivery boys rising up to 50%.
We are all familiar with him, the boy on the bike or in the van who hands over your online shopping. An army of soldiers on their feet, these are the delivery boys who are key to e-commerce startups. And with the big billion sales on offer, the demand for them is peaking like never before.
Overall, the demand is estimated this year to around 75,000 plus, could also touch about a lakh just for these few months. Everybody have huge numbers to hire, but I think we've fallen short, clearly. In spite of our best effort, I don't see ourselves being able to meet more than 45% of the requirement.
Startups say a school dropout with the basic understanding of English and good driving skills is a fit for the job. 21-year-old Pawan from Burari village of North Delhi is using this job to pay for his education. He's pursuing a Bachelor's of Arts degree from the School of Open Learning.
ये जॉब मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखती है क्योंकि मैं इनमें से जो अमाउंट होता है अपने घर पे देता हूँ और अपने जो पढ़ाई पे भी मैं इसको खर्च करता हूँ, इसलिए जो जॉब है मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखती है.
A delivery boy can earn between 12 to 15,000 rupees a month, and this can even hit 20,000 during the festive season. They deliver anywhere between 50 to 90 orders a day. According to research platform VCCircle.com, last year e-commerce logistics startups which work with e-commerce players to meet their manpower requirements among other things raised $10 crore. This year the number has tripled to $30 crore, a sign of their growing significance. Clearly no dearth of funds for these startups, but with salaries and incentives on the rise and poaching from competition, retaining staff is a challenge. Gurgaon-based logistics startup Delivery currently employs over 14,000 delivery boys and felt the heat too.
The volumes that we see in our network, and which is true for every e-commerce company, the volumes, number of orders they see is usually anywhere between 1.25 to 1.5 times of their normal orders that they were seeing before the period starts. So in terms of the implication for us, we obviously need to build that capacity to be able to service those many higher number of orders.
They say they delivered 1.5 to 2 lakh orders a day last year, but this year the numbers rose to a staggering 4 lakh orders a day. As the big daddies of e-commerce fight to get your order to you first, the demand for these delivery boys isn't going down in a hurry, because without them, all the mega sales will simply fail. With camera person K. Ravi and Simarpreet Sembi, Natasha Jog, NDTV.